Glad it's 200 series morning this morning. Catch up with some of the usual problems we see. Of course, the culprit. One's a pinch seal. So that's obviously no cause other than the person who installed it not taking care and pinching the seal. They have an unusual air cleaner lid which is on a bit of an angle. You need to install it with a little bit of pressure, pushing it in towards the motor so that it goes down and doesn't catch the seal and pinch it. But what's happened on the inside here? You can see obviously we've had water and mud staining coming up through. You can see clearly on the seal surface there it hasn't been sealing. So yeah, when these things get installed, install them properly so we just don't have any problems and keeps everybody happy. But I'm not sure, it's got some numbers on it. Is it an aftermarket one? It certainly is. And if we take a close look at this seal, there is no crushable area on this seal. This seal has no lip. The lip looks like it should be there because the Chinese guys had copied it, made it look like a lip, but it's not a lip. So it's going in there and you don't have any tension happening to squeeze down and seal the seal, which it should be doing. Again, you can see that seal going along here and getting pinched. How's the pre-cleaner down in there? Should we dare open that and have a look? There you go, muscles. Get your hands into it. Oh, better bring that out and we'll have a good look at it. Again, forgotten like the lost dinosaurs. There is a pre-cleaner in the bottom of most Toyota air filters. Toyota really do make good air filtration, but it needs to be maintained properly. Otherwise it's not going to work properly or you won't get the full benefits out of it. So there's just a little bit about Land Cruiser 200 air cleaners. Pinch seals, pre-filters, it's really easy, boys and girls, but it just needs some care and maintenance. And I'm sure you trust your mechanic in it, but you're going to have to just remind some of these guys because they mustn't be aware of it or they're just lazy. To see more of these videos, keep watching our Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, or berrimadiesel.com, where you can find out more about looking after your diesel correctly.